What's up guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be learning how to ride a skateboard or a cruiser board. So Nitu has decided to buy a cruiser board and learn how to ride it. Our first stop is at JR Surf and Ski Shop. It's in Adelaide CBD.
So we kind of like this one. Hold on to that one. Getting skateboard because we want to cruise.
Okay, moving on to explore more shops and places. So we went around Rundle Mall and Curvy Street to find a ride board for Nitu.
2 hours later.
Okay, this is Nitu's first experience with wasabi, and as you know, it stings.
Eventually.
Alright, back to the business of finding a ride board for Nitu. So we are at the clinic, which has moved on to Maya Center. Okay, we went back to the first shop and bought our first peak. So that's it.
Just gonna get the ground and try this one out. Sure. Let's get it. We bought it.
One is brand new.
One is super brand new. Another one is mine. Show me the whole thing. Yeah, look at the wheel. That's awesome. Yeah, I like the wheels and everything. I like the back side of it. Front side, she liked it. So as long as she likes it, it's all good. So you ready and excited to learn? I got my glove here. So people are training out there, so we still got like this amount of space
Okay,
here.
just before we start, I just want to highlight that safety equipments like helmet and good shoes are really important, especially if you are learning for the first time. Okay, first step of skateboarding is foot placement. Place your forward, either right or left foot, on or just behind the wheel screws. Okay, place your other foot, either right or left, near back of the board or back wheel screw. So this will get you standing. It is not unusual to take short strides, but long pushes are better for a smooth and stable ride. Also, just a heads up, falling off this skateboard is part of skateboarding, so don't give up and keep on trying.
So push a little bit and go.
And if you follow the steps properly and not give up, keep on trying, you'll be able to jump up, skate and cruise around in no time. And most of all, you'll enjoy it. Good luck.
It's good. Alright, this is, I think she's doing pretty good job. Nice. It's good. Well done. Alright, we're just gonna head out now.
Alright, we had a very productive day today. Time to head back home. See you in 2 weeks time. Okay, it has been 2 weeks since we last met, and today we are here to learn how to take turn, either right or left, or in general how to take a turn. To turn right and left, as you stand parallel or approximate parallel to the wheels, use your heels to turn right and use your toes to turn left. So when you are comfortable and used to it, cruiser boards are really enjoyable and smooth, mainly because of their larger wheels and their body. Today we are cruising through West Terrace Cemetery as it's in our way from car park to a playground. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked it. Stay safe and we'll see you next time.